retired air commodore Venkatraman. I'm going on 79. Actually, my wife came first for a cataract surgery. It went off very well. Then I followed it up soon. And I'm sure enough, it was very easygoing and pleasant experience. So I'm very grateful to Dr. Zamindar and the entire team for giving me a second sight. No, it was, in fact, it was exceptional. I would say it was overwhelming because Dr. Zamindar is a very outgoing and people's person. She heads a very professional team of surgeons who are very clinical, so pun intended. So it's a great combination, isn't it? That, I must also add that they got all the latest state-of-the-art equipment, and which gives you unfailing top-draw results. So I think herein lies the special magic, that while they combine the latest technology, they also retain the old world ambience of the family doctor, which is very rare. Last but not the least, I'm very glad to see so many women employed here, because when you employ a woman, you're not giving a job to a person. You are in fact helping a whole family. Thank you.